All right, today we get to test drive this 2004 Dodge Ram 1500 4x4. Has the Hemi package, which is the highest end package available. It includes the big 5.7 liter Hemi V8. And the Hemi package in here was the best available. It added anywhere between $7,500 to about $8,800 to the tag on the vehicle. And right now you could get the whole truck for about the price of the upgrade to get this package. This wheel package was also an option. This is 20-inch rims on here. Call it, I think it was the Rodder upgrade to get the 20-inch. Has the quad cab in it, which is a very nice cab if you're looking for roomy interior for 5 to 6 people. This could comfortably fit 4 adults and 2 children. I'll sit in the back here. See, the center folds right down there. Does have the window slider. The additional belt in the middle for the third passenger back here. Power windows, as you can see. Does have the camper shell on it, and I'll keep it closed so it doesn't get too much light in here because the sun will just blind the view. But this is, I think, a 6.5 foot bed on here, which is nice because when you get into the 8.5 foot, I think they offered on this truck as well, the turning radius it needs is pretty enormous. And so sometimes if you're at a light and you're trying to swing a U-turn, it can be a disadvantage to have the longer bed. I personally prefer the 6.5 foot bed myself, especially being in California. There can be some tight parking out there at times if you're trying to get in the supermarket to fill up your cooler before a road trip. All right, let's start it up here. I always like the white gauges they use. I have an 05 Durango at home with the same exact engine in it, and I got my Durango so that I'd be able to at some point get desert toys and have good towing capacity. This particular truck has about a 9,000 pound towing capacity, so if you're looking for like a toy hauler or something like that to hit the desert, this is a really nice vehicle to be checking out. It is also 4x4, so if you're getting on any loose sand, this is definitely a nice option to have. And you see right down here is how you would put it into 4. It does have cruise control here. Has the power windows for the rear as well. That's a climate control. 6 disc changer you'll see right there. And the leather interior is pretty attractive. I like it. You know, inside here they use a suede as well, which is really comfortable. Feels nice. They just had a rebuilt transmission put in here, so you should be good to go with your towing needs. And I'm going to hit the gas here pretty good to start off so you can see what kind of pickup this Hemi has. So we are off. We're up to 40 miles an hour already. And so you can see that the Hemi has no shortage of power whatsoever. Roll up the windows here. It feels like a higher end truck. The suspension is nice and smooth. Sounds really nice.
Nicer newer car. But hurry, my old car report card. And it's midnight on September 30th.
If I'm not mistaken, I think this is the first year that Dodge put in this 5.7 liter Hemi as an option. 2004. I think I recall that because when I bought my 2005 Durango, I'm pretty sure they were letting me know that. Truck idles really nice. You know, as I'm sitting here at the light, it's hard to tell the engine's even running. You do hear it though. It's got that nice throaty sound that you'd expect to hear from a Hemi. The bed being a little bit over 6 foot in length is perfect if you want to bring like an air mattress to the desert. You know, that shell on there is nice. Be able to throw an air mattress in there, cart up a couple toys, and then down the road, maybe if you get a toy hauler, it has the option of towing up to 9,000 pounds, as I mentioned. So you should be pretty good in that respect as you upgrade if need be. Otherwise, you can fit a pretty decent amount of camping materials back there as well. And I'm going to show you the turning radius on this. This is kind of hard to do in a lot of trucks. I was able to spin this around without touching the curb on either side of the road, and that is one nice advantage to getting the shorter bed, as I mentioned, is the turning radius is much more manageable for when you're out driving. Gotta love those 20-inch rims and tires on this one. So I give you a little bit of a walk around, and I encourage you, if you're looking for a 4x4 truck that's affordable and powerful enough to tow about 9,000 pounds. I actually left that back open, look at me. I recommend coming in and driving this Dodge Ram 1500. And if you haven't driven the 5.7 liter Hemi, if you haven't test driven that engine, that's definitely worth a go. They do put nice chrome accents as well on this trim package. Gives the truck a nice higher end look. Really attractive truck. So we hope to see you here this weekend over at STREAMLINE Auto. Thanks for watching.